Hi everybody, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Baa Baa Sheep from Mother Goose Club. So grab your pencils and let's begin. Let's draw a big circle. And after that, we're going to draw a little square below that. So here's a circle. Try to make it as round as you can. There we go. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just a big circle. Now, inside we're going to draw a smaller circle. So what I want to do is maybe about my thumb thickness, maybe this thickness, and I'm going to try to keep it the same distance from the side. So we're just going to draw a smaller circle within that. Now that we have that done, we're going to start here with a little body. Now I'm going to draw sort of a tear shape, just a bit smaller. So we have this size, and I'm going to maybe make it about 3/4 of this size. So let's see, let's make it about this size underneath, like this. Now what we can do, we can try to draw arms quickly. Now from here, I'm just going to draw a line out. I'm going to draw like a stick man. So we're just going to draw another line out there. And now that we have that, we're going to go underneath and just make the arm complete, like this. Now right on top, we can draw ears. So I'll draw a little ear there, and on this side, about the same. Right, and then just the inside of the ear. And we're just going to do it rough. The next step we're going to do, I just want to make this a bit nicer here. Now the next step we're going to do, we're going to find the middle of the circle, the inner circle, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a curve upwards, like this. And then we're going to do a curve down. So we divided the face. Now what I'm going to do, just below here, I'm going to draw a little button nose. Right. Now on both sides here, I'm going to make an upwards curve here, and I'm going to make another upwards curve. And you can just do it rough. We're just going to rough it in. So, and we're going to draw an eye there, and on this side we'll draw another eye, and then above, eyebrows. There we go. And there we have the 2 eyebrows, and here maybe eyelashes as well. There we go. Now inside, we're going to draw the eyes. So there's one eye, here's the other one, and of course we're going to make light reflections there as well. And then just underneath that, we'll draw a smile. And remember, this is all rough. Now here I'm just going to draw a wave, and then we can draw another wave here like this, and another one here like this. Now on the sides here, I'm just going to draw 2 squares where the arms are. There we go. And then you're just going to draw sort of an oval shape. We're going to draw here another oval shape, and then a little oval shape going down. And that's going to be our hands. So this is all rough. Now let's draw Baa Baa Sheep's legs. Now we're going to do it quite simple. So we're just going to draw a straight line down. Let's make it a full line down like this. We're going to make a full line down, and then from here curve a line in and curve a line in, and make a straight line there. Good. Then we can just draw the stripes, downwards curves like this, and then on both sides out, shoes, and just bring it down the middle like this. Good. And there's Baa Baa Sheep. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our marker, take your Sharpie, and we're going to go over the lines. And you can change. So I'm going to change things a bit as I draw. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to do the inner circle. I'm going to start here, and I'm trying to make it as nice as I can. And you can take it slowly. Right, and then here I'm going to draw the little button nose, and I'm going to draw a little smile. Here we go. Right, now on top, I'm going to draw the eye, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the eye, and I'm going to do just the eyelashes and bring it down. Now on this side, let's do the same. You draw the eye, you can fill in your eyelashes, bring it down, and then we're going to draw the inner eye as well. There we go. I'm going to draw the light reflections. There's two. I'm going to draw two light reflections there as well. Then I'm going to fill the eyes in. Good. And now we're just going to go on top and we're going to do the eyelashes also. And I'm just going to make the eyes a little thicker on top. And you're going to fill those eyelashes in and just bring it over here on this side as well. I'm going to do the same on this side as well. A little bit thicker. Yeah. Eyelashes. Other eyelash. Back. Here we go. Now we're going to go to the top and you're just going to draw the little eyebrows. Now I'm going to draw the head. I'm going to start here on top again, and I'm just going to draw it as best I can. And remember, you can change it with your marker, or you can erase it and do it again with a pencil until you're happy with it. Now for the ears, I'm going to do something different. So I'm going to make the ears a little bit bigger. And I'm going to give it a bit of a point on top, like that. And on this side, I'm going to do it again. A little bit of a point, bring it back, and then I'll just make the inner ear. There we go. Now we're going to go down to Baa Baa Sheep's body. Now what I will do, I see I have a round curve here and a flat one here, so I'm going to make this round and I'm going to make Baa Baa Sheep's body a little bit wider. So I'm going to do a layer for layer and just bring it back. Then on this side, I'm just going to do it again. There we go, and connect it. Now I'm going to bring the body in on both sides. There we go. And then I'm going to do a last one here as well. So you see, I'm changing my picture as I go along. I'm giving it a bit more shape and just subtle differences that I make here now. Right, and then here I'm going to do the arm. I'm going to bring it down and I'm going to block it in there like this, and then we'll just draw a sleeve. Now I'm going to try to do that as well. So I'm going to start here on top, bring it down there, something like that, and I'll draw the sleeve a little bit bigger. Now I draw these ovals for my hands. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to follow it. I'm going to make it a bit squarer, see, and then maybe bring it down here in a little thumb. There's one hand, and I'll do the same here. Just make it a bit square, thumb, there we go. Now for the legs. Now I see this leg is curving in, this one is more out to this side. And I like this shape, so I'm going to make this shape as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop in the middle. And here I'm going to draw another line. I'm going to stop in the middle. I'm going to draw a knee. And then here I'm just going to draw a little knee out. I'm going to bring it in. And I'm going to do this here as well. Maybe like this. And then right here at the bottom, you can just draw a little knee. There we go. I'm going to start there, draw a straight line down, connect it with the downwards curve, connect it with the downwards curve. Now we're going to start here and we can do the stripes. There we go. I'll use the knee there, and there, and there. Stop there, and another one there. And now the feet are a bit small. I'm going to make Baa Baa Sheep's feet a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to bring this down, roughly to about there, because I see it's a bit small. Curve it out. And then from here, I'm going to curve it out about the same distance, and then you can just connect the lines. Great. Now we can take our eraser and we can erase the pencil lines, and we can color Baa Baa Sheep in as well. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.